Hey everybody, welcome back to Taiwan. My name is Sutchaleo. Appreciate everybody tuning in always. I hope you enjoy the video that we've been doing, Tim and I. And we just want to introduce the people to the food and maybe the culture and come try this food, okay? Please. Today we're gonna do salmon, miso salmon, okay? First I'm gonna start off with a little bit of oil. Add both dish. I'm gonna go ahead and cook the salmon. I want to cook the salmon real lightly, okay? As heat heat up or pan heat up. I'm gonna blanch my asparagus real quickly, and I'm gonna saute that in a little bit, okay? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see the salmon. All right, this is miso paste. This is a dish I made earlier this week that it's not in a menu, okay? And I know I got some guests that come in here and they said, man, Sam, make me something, you know? I got that all the time. So this is something that's off the menu. If you come in and ask for this dish, just hope I tell you what, I will not even announce it when I go out there. If you watch this video, if you know this dish, please ask for it, okay? I got miso paste going. I'm gonna add a little chili to that. Okay. I'm gonna add a little a house sauce. I'm gonna smooth that out with a little vegetable broth base. Go ahead and turn that off. We got salmon going. Cook real lightly on both sides. There you go. Got a little more vegetable oil on this side here. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to saute the asparagus with the salmon. Get the flavor of salmon there a little bit. Right next to that. I'm going to add a little garlic to that. A little bit of house sauce. Flavor that up just a little bit. Again, I already blanched this asparagus up, so you don't need to cook it that long. Okay, you want to grill it just a little bit, saute a little bit. Okay. And I'm going to plate the salmon. Asparagus down. Okay. And I'm gonna put the sauce right on top of that. Now miso got a lot of flavor into this, and a hot pepper and a sauce. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on the plate here so we can dip it. We can do so much here. Whatever you like, what you enjoy eating, just let us know, okay? We got miso salmon with asparagus.